guys, it's me Benetron, and today I'm gonna do a squishy trade package from paulika. I will put the YouTube on down below, the link down below description box. So yeah, let's get started. So here is trade package. I'm open already, so I'm so sorry because I got this package a long time ago, so I don't have much time to film a video. So yeah, and I see a note. It says I'm just gonna read for you guys. Thank you so much for trading with me. I hope we can trade again soon. I love you. Bye, paulika. And for the social media, I will put the link down below. So yeah, so I'm gonna read it. Her Instagram is paulika, and her shop, Cambodia Squishy Shop, and her Facebook is paulika, and her YouTube is paulika. So I will put all the link down below. Yeah, and this I trade him with this banana stretchy toy. I don't know, so stretchy and squishy. And she also gave me an extra, but I eat already, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, here so squishy and stretchy. So and yeah, that is trade package. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what video I'm gonna do next. Bye.